Mm, yeah, beyond the now, beyond the skin. Me meet you in a lifetime full of pressure, where love was quiet and survival was loud. Me hands were steady but my spirit restless. Me heart knew peace but my mind knew power. We crossed paths in a moment too fragile. Timing wrong but the feeling was true. We was brave in a world that rewards armor, but bravery alone can't pull love through. Me see you smile like a future unfinished, like a promise life wasn't ready to keep. Me wanted rules, but my road kept moving, so me memorize your face in my sleep. Me tell myself love sometimes visit early, to teach the soul how deep it can go. Not every flaming fish stay burning, some just show you the light before you go. If this world couldn't hold me together, if time refused for bend, me not call it the end of love, me call it not yet then. If I can't love you right in this life, if the stars don't line where we stand, I will carry your name through the darkness till I find you again, understand. I will find you in my next life, when the weight of the past is gone, when we meet with lighter shadows and the heart don't have to run.
I felt you before I knew you, like a song I almost sang, like a dream that kept repeating, slip right through my hands. I loved you in the quiet moments when no one else could see. I loved the man you had become, even when you couldn't stay with me. I don't blame you for the leaving, or the way the door closed slow. Some love's a born emotion, not meant to settle, just to grow. But you left fingerprints on my spirit, you rewrote parts of my soul. And even now in different seasons, I still feel you when I'm home.
If this lifetime couldn't teach us how to stay without fear, maybe love is patient enough to wait beyond here.
If I can't hold your hand right now, if fate won't let us stay, I will trust the universe remembers every word we couldn't say.
I will find you in my next life,
when my heart is less afraid, when loving you doesn't feel like choose between survival and faith. Next life, next life, next life.
My grandmother tell me soul travel forward, carry memory beyond flesh and bone. That true love never get lost in earth, just change address, not gone. So me no mourn this as a failure, me see it as sacred delay. Two spirits learning different lessons before they meet the same way.
Me hope in your other lifetime, your love more easy than now.
Me hope the world treat you gently,
Me hope you never forget how
love not expire, love not dead. It just sleep in the future till the past release it.
I used to think love had deadlines, that if it missed, it disappeared. Now I know love is eternal, it just waits till you're ready, not scared.
I see you in strangers' kindness, in songs that know my pain, in the way the sun breaks the morning after nights that felt insane. And even if I love again here, joys of now, beyond the fear. If I can't be at peace today, if I can't be your home, together, love will remember our names. Where the souls are grown, I will find you in my next life. When the past no longer binds, when we meet without the wounds that this lifetime left behind.
Me not promise destiny romantic, me promise truth eternal.
Me believe in reunion cosmic, beyond the physical, beyond the journal. So me not say goodbye forever, me say until the soul align. Some love too big for one lifetime, it need more than space and time.
If you feel me when you're lonely, if my name comes to your mind, that's not a memory, that's connection that survives the line of time.
I will find you in my next life, when we're lighter, when we're free, when loving you doesn't feel like choosing between who I am and who I need to be. I will find you in my next life, when our hearts arrive unarmed, when we meet without the armor that this world taught us to guard.
I will find you in my next life, where love don't need to hide, where we recognize each other on the first look, first sight. Not goodbye,
Just not yet.
I'll see you beyond this breath.